Bra, Amanda.
Wish I knew then what I know now, but I can't change the past no matter how I try. So I'ma get up and dance, you know, 'cause this might be my last chance. No, it's like there's no one around, even gravity can't hold me down.